Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about beautiful crochet baby frock dress ideas that are simply too adorable to ignore. If you love handmade fashion, soft textures, and creative designs for little girls, then you're definitely in the right place. Crochet baby dresses have a timeless charm. They are not just outfits, they are pieces of art made with love, patience, and creativity. Each stitch tells a story, and every design reflects elegance and care. Whether you're a parent, a crochet lover, or someone looking for inspiration, these stunning frock ideas will truly capture your heart. As you watch, you'll notice how versatile crochet designs can be, from simple and classic patterns to more detailed and fancy styles. There's something here for every taste. Some dresses feature soft pastel colors like baby pink, cream, and light blue, giving that gentle, angelic look. Others come in bright, vibrant colors that bring out a playful and cheerful vibe. One of the most beautiful things about crochet baby frocks is the intricate detailing. Look closely and you'll see lovely floral patterns, delicate lacework, and elegant textures that make each dress unique. These small details are what turn a simple dress into something truly special. You'll also notice different styles of sleeves and necklines. Some dresses have sleeveless designs, perfect for warm days, while others come with short or long sleeves for a more classic and cozy feel. The necklines range from round and simple to more decorative styles that add extra charm. Another highlight is the skirt design. Many of these crochet frocks feature flared skirts that create a princess-like look. The way the yarn flows and spreads gives the dress a soft, graceful movement, making it perfect for special occasions like birthdays, photo shoots, or family gatherings. Comfort is also a big advantage of crochet dresses. Because they are handmade with soft yarn, they are gentle on a baby's delicate skin. They are breathable, lightweight, and perfect for keeping your little one comfortable while still looking stylish. If you're someone who enjoys crocheting, these designs can also serve as inspiration for your next project. You can mix colors, experiment with patterns, and even add your own creative touch. As you continue watching, take your time to enjoy each design. Notice the patterns, the colors, and the overall look of each dress. Imagine how beautiful these would look on a little girl, cute, elegant, and full of charm. Let me know in the comments which design is your favorite. Do you prefer simple and elegant styles, or do you love more detailed and fancy designs? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration in these beautiful crochet baby frock dresses, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing ideas like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.